Hi, I'm Koya Webb, and today I'm going to teach you Ujjayi or ocean breathing. Ujjayi is Sanskrit, and it's really just breathing deeply. So you can sit in a chair, you don't have to sit on the floor like me, or you can grab a blanket or a cushion to sit yourself up on, and that's going to relieve some pressure from your knees and your legs. So sitting here, I want you to make a ha sound. So just open your mouth and go as if you are fogging up a mirror. And now with Ujjayi breathing, you're not going to breathe out the mouth. You're going to only breathe out your nose, but you're going to make that ha sound with your lips sealed. And that ha, that fogging of the mirror, is going to happen in the back of your throat. It's going to sound like this. Inhale. So you're inhaling through your nose and you're exhaling the air through, and it feels like it's going through the back of your throat. We're going to do 10 breaths just like this. Inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your nose, taking that ha sound to the back of your throat. Once you got it, you can close your eyes. Okay, and woo, you probably feel very calm. I almost went to another planet. It feels really good, and it's very common for you to feel sleepy, for you to feel very relaxed and very calm. One thing you want to remember is to inhale. You can let your stomach come out a bit and exhale, bring your stomach in. So we're going to do it 5 more times, and you're going to really focus on your stomach going out and coming in. Going out on the inhale and in on the exhale. Inhale and exhale. All right, good job. So that is Ujjayi or ocean breathing. This is something you can practice every day. When you feel stressed, it's going to help relieve tension. It's going to help bring your energy down. If you feel anxious, if you feel like, oh, I'm angry, I'm anxious, I'm frustrated, Ujjayi or ocean breathing will get you out of that place into a more relaxed and balanced place. If you feel like you want to react and respond for something that's triggering you, first do your ocean breathing, think about it, and then move forward. All right, until next time, get loved up, love yourself, love others, and love the planet.